Hey guys, and welcome to RoboCAD. In this PLC programming tutorial, I will explain you the purpose of the fraction block. So here, as you can see, the input is 12.5 and the output is 0.5. And this is basically the purpose of the fraction block. It basically extracts the decimal part from a real number. So let's see how we can do that. So we are in the TIA portal software, guys, and I'm gonna expand this window from here because here we have the math functions, right? So I'm gonna expand the math functions block, and this right here is a fraction block, so we will be using it. First, I will be requiring a normally open context, so I will place it here first, and then I will select this line, and then I will drag this fraction block, which is right here in the math functions. So I will drag this fraction block and place it here like this, right? So now I need to create the PLC tag. So I will find PLC tags. I will double tap here on show all tags. A new window for the tags will get appear. So first I will be using a tag for the input pulse. Basically this is the input switch for the normally open contact, right guys? And then I will require two tags in and out for the fraction block. So first I am typing here in, and I will be changing here the data type for it. So rather than boolean, it should be a real number, right? So I'm typing here real and select the real one. And for the identifier, it should be M, and check this box. So this is MD0, right guys? And I require another tag for the out as well. This is basically the output value, or you can say the result value. So it is automatically real and MD4, right? So now we need to go back to the programming window, which is the main, this one, and now we have to assign those tags which we have just created. So I'm going to collapse this window, and here I will be selecting the input pulse. Basically this will be acting like an input switch, and for input we have created in tag, and for output we have created out tag, MD0 and MD4, right guys? Now we need to turn on the simulation, start simulation, which is already working in my case. So I will simply download the program from here, and then I will click on the load button, and after that I will turn on the monitoring mode from here. This is the monitoring mode, so I will turn it on, and I will see these green lines, right? So when you basically run the simulation, start simulation button, let me show you. You need to create a new project from here, right? Click on create button. So after some time this window will get appear. You will see these options. You have to go into sim tables. You need to double click on sim table 1. This window will get appear. You will have to click on the load tags. So these are the tags that we have just created. They will get appear. Now I will collapse in this window, and I will adjust both of these windows so that I can see this logic and this window as well, right? Because we will be using both at the same time. So I'm gonna turn off the input switch and turn on, right? So here we can give some value, right? So I'm gonna give here like 10.125. So as you can see at the input we are seeing 10.125, which is basically a real number. And after that, when I turn on the input pulse button, on the output we are seeing the decimal part of this number, only 0.125. And let's see another case. I'm giving here 12.5 as input, and when I turn on the input pulse, then I will be able to see the decimal part of the real number, that is 0.5. So from 12.5 it has extracted the 0.5 value, right? So this is basically the purpose of using the fraction block in TIA portal software. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.